Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take some b-roll video using your drone. So I got my drone with me and my little one as well, and also my little drone as well, and I'm going to show you how to take b-rolls using the drone. And my little one, she's looking at me. Yeah, it's been a while since I haven't posted anything on YouTube, but she's been busy. So I'm outside somewhere in the middle of nowhere, me and my wife and my little one, and I've decided to take a video and make a video for my YouTube channel. Also feel free to subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Any questions, ask me in the comments. I'm really happy to reply back to you. And cool, let's switch on devices and let's make some b-rolls. Alright, I'll let you show. I'm just recording from my car bonnet because it's too wet around here. Just make sure everything is recording fine. Yeah, it is recording fine. Just waiting to the drone to connect to my controller, and then we'll go to record some b-roll video. You record b-roll video when you want to basically put them videos and show different context, and that's what I want to show you, how you can record that using your drone. So everything is connected right now. My little one, she's playing around. For some reason it says that my account is not connected to here. Great, so I'm gonna take off my drone and we're gonna record some b-roll video. I'm gonna take off with my hand. That's it.
Home point updated.
So I'm up in the air now and we're gonna show you how to record some b-roll video. Hopefully you can see me properly. So yeah, that's basically the place here. Looks really stunning, and I'm gonna show you some. I don't know how to put this camera. I'm recording this video using my GoPro 12, but hopefully you can see me pretty good. Great. So I'm not comfortable. Hopefully like that. So I'm up in the air, and as you can see here, it's a massive reservoir, and we're gonna make some videos of this place. And you already can see it's not that busy place, but it looks stunning. So first of all, make sure you have all the adjustments ready, and make sure it's not underexposed or overexposed. So we're gonna have to adjust this accordingly to the day today. Cool, that seems alright to me. It's a bit overexposed up in the sky, but that can be fixed during the post process, and we're gonna record some videos. I'll put in normal mode, should be fine. I don't want a cinematic because it'll fly too slow for this place, and this place is massive, so I want normal speed. Cool, so let's go to some videos of the road. That's it. So we'll record this video of the road smoothly, following the road. Don't need to be too long. That's it. 20 seconds should be fine. I won't put 20 seconds in the video. I'll just need extra time so I can see what I can cut and what can leave. Now we'll go and record a video of the reservoir itself, and we'll do that on the side. So we'll just put the stick on the right hand side and just record the video of what's here, what's in the reservoir. So again, no more than 20 seconds, which that should do its job. Cool. That will do me. We'll do another video. We'll do another video just like this. Don't really want to go too high. So this should be fine. Let's start recording that. Again, don't go mad with how long you want to record that, because they B-roll videos, and usually we're gonna put like 2 or 3 seconds in your video. So that's enough for me. Let's take another video. It's a bit dark here, so I'm gonna have to adjust the settings again, just to make sure they fit well. Gotcha. Cool, so let's record that now. So here we're gonna follow the road alongside the reservoir, and here you go. I'll probably record a bit more on this one, so I can I'll have more choice what to cut and what to leave. So that's pretty nice. That's it. Cool. Let's record a couple more videos. Let's do one. Let's do one like that. Again, I have to adjust it. The settings. Oops. Too high. I'll put shutter speed. That should do the job. Choose and focus, and yeah, another video like that. And this time I'll probably use I'm gonna use a buff joysticks, and we'll go around like that. Want to use a bit more cinematic video on this one. Okay, looks alright for me. I've got another 15 minutes. I can fly this drone. Just got a bit windy outside, but it's still alright outside. A bit too fast. There you go. That will do me. And looks fine to me. I just need to position myself like that so I can see the drone. Cool. Now we're gonna make another video like that, because I really love the look of the video. It looks low just because it's too high up, so I'm gonna have to bring the drone a bit more down. Gotcha. So that's pretty much. I've recorded a couple of videos for B-rolls, and I'm gonna have to put them together, so I'm gonna show you how they look when you put them together. It's important to choose the right music as well, and I'm gonna have to take another video like coming towards me. Gotcha. That's it. So it's recording right now, and I'm gonna bring the drone down so it's not just flying straight. It just gives a bit more, couple more moves. Make sure not crashing this tree. That'll do me. Cool. To record a video at an angle. Let's give like a nice composition, something like that, following the road, which is a bit nice, as I said, nice composition. So that will do me 15 seconds And now I'm gonna make another video like that. As you can see here, it's pretty nice view and looks alright in the video. So them videos we're gonna use them for B-rolls. As I said, you can use your drone to take B-roll video, which can end up nice videos. Cool, that's it for me. We'll bring the drone back to the car park. And I want to record another video. So that's where you can see me from the drone where I'm sitting. I'm recording video for you. And let's do one more video as a B-roll. But this one I want to make in cinematic. Right, not like that. So I'll position myself, the camera down, and let's bring like that. And let's bring, that's it. And you can see here how it looks like. So it's basically doing like 360, spinning the drone around, just making like an interesting video for the B-roll. You can see here, and it's going really high up in the sky. See, it's got a bit too fast for him, it's got to be too slow. Then I can probably use the speed ramp and speed the video. Oh, too fast again. And that's it. And yeah, I'll bring the drone down now. That's pretty much, I've done recorded some B-rolls video using my drone, and I'm gonna bring the drone down. Cool, so the drone is coming down. I'm going to put in sport mode so it's coming a bit more quicker. Let's do this one. Woo! That's really quick in sport mode. That's it. That's it. That's it. That'll do me. You can see me in the video. Standing here. And put normal mode. I've got another two lights in the drone, which what that 56% should be enough. So that's pretty much how you record video using your drone. Pretty straightforward. Just record some videos with interesting places, some nice context, and just put them together. And again, thanks for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.